Hello, welcome to the training headquarters and welcome to our first video tutorial how to create email address in DreamHost. We know DreamHost is the one of the most popular hosting service in the world. Most of the people are using DreamHost and their email creating system is different from other. It's not messing. The system is not similar with cPanel. Anyway, let's see how to create the email address in DreamHost. You have to log in first in your DreamHost admin panel. Just to go to the DreamHost admin panel URL and log in using your email and password. After logging in your DreamHost admin panel, you will be there, and this is the email DreamHost admin panel look. Here is an option in the left side. This is manage email. From there, you will be able to manage your email address. You will be able to create your email address and other things. Let's see what we can do. Okay, manage URL. This is the manage URL post, and there is an option create new email address. So if you want to create a new email address, you need to click here. Just click here, new email address, create new email address. Okay, this is the email address creating area. Here is the option email address. You need to write your email address name here. For example, I'm writing here test email, TEST-email, and now choose your domain name, which domain under you want to create your email. Just choose your email domain name. My domain name is bnnlive24.com. Okay, now login box. Set a name. This is name. This is the name what people will see after sending the email. So I'm placing here test email. Okay. Now you can pick a password yourself or suggest him to select a password for you. I'm picking a password myself. Test. Okay, and here is the option limit total disk uses. This is the option how much space you want to give for this email. There is 200 MB. You can if you uncheck this checkbox, then the email account disk space will be unlimited. Whatever you want, you can do yourself. I'm just providing 100 megabyte. Okay. Here's the option email me daily warning. If you use is who is 10% of your limit, that means if you use 10% of your limit, then you will be get notification or warning to your regular email address, so which you use to create your DreamHost account. Okay, let's see what next. There's some option you can check yourself. You will understand. This is the option what will be remove email automatically after crossing 2050 or after 45 days. You can choose this option or leave this blank as you wish. And now if you click create address, it will be, oh no, my password was too long. Let me change. Okay, that's good. The password need to be minimum 8 character, but I have given earlier just 3 or 4 character. That's why it's not this not work. Let's again create account. Okay, creating. Yes, it's done. Yes, it's done. Just note that it will be take a few minutes to synchronize after creating your email address. So please try later. Okay. If you have any question, just post a comment below of this video. Obviously, we will help you as early as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.